In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a chart of accounts in Wave. Whether you're a small business owner or just getting started with managing your finances, setting up your chart of accounts is an essential step in keeping your books organized and accurate. So let's dive in and get you set up correctly. First, let's head over to the Wave accounting website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in the address, waveapps.com. Once the page loads, look to the top right corner and you'll see the Sign In option. Go ahead and click on that. Now, if you have a Google account, you can simplify the login process by choosing Sign In with Google. Just click that option and select the Google account you want to use. This not only saves time, but also keeps your credentials secure, as you don't need to remember another password. Once you've signed in, navigate to the Accounting tab. This tab serves as the hub for all your financial records. From there, look for an option labeled Chart of Accounts and give it a click. This will bring you to the main section where you can view and manage your different accounts. Now, we're going to add a new account. Look for the Add a New Account button and click on it. This will open up a new window where you can enter the details for each new account you create. The first thing you'll need to do here is choose an account type. Think of account types as categories such as assets, liabilities, or income, which help organize where transactions fall within your finances. Picking the correct type is crucial as it impacts how transactions are reported and analyzed. After selecting the account type, it's time to enter the account name. This is a descriptive name that you'll easily recognize, and that'll help you identify the purpose of the account at a glance. Next, type in the account ID. Wave generates numbers automatically, but you can customize this if you're following a specific numbering system for better tracking consistency. Moving on, you'll want to fill in the description of the account. This is where you can add more context about the use and purpose for this account, which comes in handy, especially if someone else helps manage your books. Once you have all the details filled out, double-check for accuracy, and then click on Save. With that, you've successfully added a new account to your chart of accounts in Wave. Remember, maintaining an organized chart of accounts will streamline your bookkeeping tasks and help facilitate clearer financial reporting. It's worth investing the time initially for smooth sailing in the future. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check back for more tips and tutorials.